fam, that's what they call me. I promise that you'll never be lonely.
Today we will start class 11 mathematics chapter 6 linear inequalities. Before starting this chapter you should know the meaning of linear inequalities. First of all, the meaning of inequation is a mathematical statement involving variables, and these signs are called inequations or inequalities. For example, linear inequations involves any variable and any of these sign. The statement which involve this variable or this any variable and these signs are involved in equation, that equation is called linear inequation. For example, 2x plus 7 less than 3. This is called linear inequation. Now, linear inequations in one variable, a statement between two expression involving a single variable x. दिस इज अ इक्वेशन, इसके बीच में सिर्फ एक ही वेरिएबल है जो है x विद हाईएस्ट पावर 1 और इसकी पावर क्या है 1. एंड द साइन ऑफ इनइक्वालिटी, दीज साइंस आर इन्वॉल्व इन दिस इक्वेशन इज कॉल्ड अ लीनियर इक्वेशन इन वन वेरिएबल. उसे हम बोलते हैं लीनियर इक्वेशन इन वन वेरिएबल, जिसमें एक ही वेरिएबल हो और उसकी पावर 1 हो. नेक्स्ट इज जनरल फॉर्म्स ऑफ दिस लीनियर इक्वेशन इन वन वेरिएबल. ये इसके जनरल फॉर्म्स हैं. नेक्स्ट वी हैव रिप्लेसमेंट सेट एंड सोल्यूशन सेट. द सेट फ्रॉम विच द वैल्यू ऑफ वेरिएबल x इज टू बी चूजन इज कॉल्ड रिप्लेसमेंट. जिस सेट में से जो वैल्यू रिप्लेस करनी है वो चूज़ की जाती है उसे हम कहते हैं रिप्लेसमेंट सेट. एंड नेक्स्ट इज whose elements satisfy the given equation, उसे हम कहते हैं solution set. Some examples are there. Let the given equation be x less than 3, then if the replacement set is natural number, that is x belongs to natural number, then its solution set is bracket x belong natural dot dot x is less than 3 is equal to bracket 1 comma 2 bracket close. Then next we have some general rules for solving linear inequations in one variable. First is the sign of an equation remains the same on adding the same number or expression to each of its side. जब हम ऐड करते हैं तब इसका साइन नहीं चेंज होता. Second is the sign of an equation remains the same on subtracting the same number or expression from each of its side. Subtraction में भी साइन नहीं चेंज होता. Sign of inequality does not change when both sides of the inequality are multiplied or divided by the same positive quantity. Multiply में भी sign change नहीं होता. Next is sign of inequality is reversed when both sides of inequality are multiplied or divided by the same negative quantity. जब negative quantity से multiply और divide करते हैं तो आपका जो इक्वेशन का साइन है वो चेंज हो जाता है. जब आप सेम पॉजिटिव क्वांटिटी से मल्टीप्लाई और डिवाइड करते हो तो साइन चेंज नहीं होता. देन वी हैव इंटरवल्स. लेट a and b be any two real numbers and let a is less than b, then the set of all real numbers x satisfying this equation is called closed interval and written as bracket a and b bracket close. This is figure. Next we have the set of all real numbers x satisfying this equation is called an open interval and written as a bracket b bracket close. Now we will see how to remind sign of bracket. First is closed interval and second is open interval. You know that closed interval can be like a circle, half circle. You can remind like this. When they will meet, they will make an closed interval, and for open interval like this brackets. Okay.